And today it's time to say goodbye to the Canaries. We will be heading back to the mainland Spain. Buenos dias. Good morning. It's day number 20 today, and today is time to say goodbye to the Canaries. I'll be hopping on a ferry back to mainland Spain, Cadiz. But they'll be at 11 tonight, so we've got a full day ahead of us because I've got some things planned already. Today we'll be heading up north of Lanzarote, and there are quite a few places that we've got to see them before we officially say goodbye to Lanzarote and the rest of the Canaries. The ferry I booked yesterday, and it's gonna be a two nice long ferry for good about over 35 hours. So back to mainland Spain, and then slowly making my way back to Santander up northern Spain, and then book my second and the last ferry to Portsmouth, England. I'm guessing it's gonna take me good at least 8 more days, or 7 more days, at least 7 or 8 more if everything goes according to what I'm thinking. So it's gonna take us another week. I think probably around next weekend we'll be back in the UK. Still a long way, but yep. What a beautiful morning here. I'm gonna miss the weather, the ride here, and everything else. But the Canaries has always been my favorite place. Right, I'm gonna prepare my breakfast, and then I'm gonna start packing things up. We'll be checking out around 11 o'clock. Right now it's I think about 7:30, so we've got plenty of time. Okay, so it's 10 o'clock and it's time to check out, hit the road, go to the north of Lanzarote, the few places that we are planning to visit. And so stick around. The weather looks pretty much similar to like yesterday, but the sun is kind of not 100% out. But I can still show you the other side of this accommodation, all these flats around, little terrace houses. So we've got Del Rio, which is the northern tip, very northern tip of the island. Then on our way we've got Harley, a small town. Then we also got another town, big town, relatively, Teguise, I think that you pronounce it, and that is which used to be old capital city of Lanzarote. Then we're going to be heading a little bit towards the northwest region, the other side of the island, to a place called Famara, a beautiful place. You're gonna love it. So you got quite a few places, and then on our way, you know that we always stop and explore things around. So we got a full day ahead of us. The ferry will leave at around 11 o'clock. So I'm kind of aiming to be around Arrecife or Arrecife, the place where the ferry would leave from, at around 9 o'clock. So we got a full day ahead of us. So let's hit the road. Let's packed up almost everything on the bike. This is something that I have to carry. We didn't get a chance to get into the swimming pool, but that's all right. Maybe next time. You got the jacuzzi here as well. Oh, the weather is so nice. It is so nice. Oops, yeah, that's where the reception is. We need to go and hand over the key. Hand over the key. Is anybody there? Oh, okay, sorry. Good morning.
I need your passport.
Sure, okay. Okay, so the checkout is complete. Now it's time to hit the road. Oh, what a beautiful weather. 10:30, 10:20, and yep, we are. So the first place we're gonna be visiting is called Teguise or Teguise, something like this. The old capital of Lanzarote. Let's hit the road. Oh, what a beautiful day. Our last day in the Canaries. Let's make it the last, but not the least, the best. Tells me to go back from here. I am not. We are very much close to the sea. Okay, so welcome to Costa Teguise or Teguise. The Google map pronounces it as Teguise, so I believe that's how it is pronounced. So we'll stick to Costa Teguise. Let's take a left from here. Yep, and let's see where we get to. We are just going Oh, look where we are. About 8 miles away from the the place which I initially entered, but I'm still pretty much in the same area. This one seems like more interesting. Okay, let's walk around a little bit and explore this place. Let's do that. Okay, so have a look. This is where I input my the destination, and instead of getting there following the Google map, I ended up being here, very next to the sea. And I'm sure, yep, we are here. Let's go and have a look around. It looks like there's a beach down here. Let's go and explore. That's what happens when you're on a, you know, not following the norms and the rules. You pave your own path. You tread on untrodden paths and leave a trail. Well, it's not untrodden path, but it's not something which okay, anyway, so let's walk around. Oh, Las Cucharas. Oh yeah, that was another beach. When I was doing some research, that also came up as being a nice place to spend some time. You know, they say you are where you're supposed to be, but you end up being where you never even thought about it. So, you know, that's what happened when you're on a bike. Okay, you could have brought the bike here because you got loads of parking space here. There's a shopping center here. Thank you very much. Muchas gracias. Let's go some shops around here. Again, more shops. And there's a shopping center. Maybe at some point we might pop in there to see if I can still find a GoPro gooseneck. I desperately need that. I know it's still working for me now, but I'm very much restricted, so not the way I would love, but at least it's better than nothing. Okay, so I'm going through this narrow street with the shops around, those typical shops, restaurants, smell of food, okay. Ice cream shop, and then you come to a place where you got some restaurants and bars around here, and then as you walk, okay, so people are walking right ahead of us, and we're gonna go right. And you can see on the left, you got again loads of shops here. That's for kids supermarket, but turn right and this is what you get. This is what you get. Oh, the palm trees, beach, the sun, the sand. Ooh, that's very nice. Oh, I'm so happy that we came this way instead of getting stuck in the city, because Teguise could have, the Google map could have taken us right into this town, even though there apparently the city is also very lively, and you know, I've heard that the streets are very nice and it's a beautiful town, good to visit, but La Graciosa. Graciosa? Graciosa. Okay. So that's where we are now. So that is a beautiful beach. Not very busy. The reason being it's too early at this time. But still, you got some rocks around here, but then you got the sand on this side,
It is a nice place. Yes, it is a nice place. Very nice. Okay, let's see if we can send the drone up in the air. Nice beach walk, and you got this river as well. To cross over, you have to use this beautiful bridge.
Madre mía.
Madre mia mean my mom. Oh, my mother. Does it mean madre mia mean oh my mom? It's like oh God, madre mia. Yeah, I think I'm just guessing. Oh, look at this place. The black grit sand with cactus trees. That's very nice. Very nice beach walk here. That is beautiful. There's some more shops there and live music. We're gonna go and listen to that in a sec. So some coins. Nice music. You come on this side. Again, you got nice. It's a nice place. Very chilled out. You got restaurants. Oh, that's a very nice place. I'm glad I took this way. Oh, look, you can even brought your bike here all the way. Yeah, I'm glad I did that. So instead of that's very nice coffee shop. Okay, I think we'll have a coffee break here. Let's go and have a coffee break here. Enjoy this beautiful view. Okay, this one looks like a nice place. This one looks like a nice place. Okay. Oh, they got lots of goodies. Loads of goodies. Oh, and then the ice cream. Okay. Hello. Oh, very nice. Oh, the weather is so nice. Oh, the weather is so nice. Remove this, otherwise I'm gonna burn my mouth. Okay. Ooh, that's very nice. And I also bought a cheesecake. It's very nice presented, and it is a, yep, it looks very nice presentation. Comes with a lid on it. That's very nice. And then this is what you get. Oh, this cheesecake is so delicious, super delicious. Wow. 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 Super good. Very creamy and the perfect taste. Good choice. What a place. That was a good decision to not follow the Google map. This cheesecake, I can eat it all day. It's so delicious. Okay, let's get back.
Ja, der hat sie was zu trinken. Ja.
I seem to have forgot where I left the bike. That's hilarious. Yeah, definitely I wasn't in here, and judging by the distance I have so far did on foot, doesn't look like I've gone too far. Luckily I've got a tracker on the bike, so I can track where it was last. Ooh, little fella. So I can track where it was last parked or left. So it shows me go down and then turn left from here. Yeah, no, definitely I wasn't here, because I don't remember any of these shops. So it's probably on the other side, closer to than I thought. So let's see if we can find our bike. Look, I found my bike. How could I forgot? Look, it's just underneath the lovely British flag. Okay, so the Great Union Jack is up there. So let's hit the road. Harley, the next town.